What's up, guys? This is Jan Arfa coming to you with an opening video. One's a eBay purchase, one's a RAOK / trade, and one's a straight up trade. Alright, I have my box cutter here, and let's open this bad boy up. This is an eBay purchase. Ooh, nice. I like the way he packed it. Alright, let's see. Well packaged too. I like this. This is my first eBay purchase. And it wasn't really, it was like a whatever buy. I got the Tyrell and the 4GT treasure hunts, 2012 treasure hunts, to add to my little collection. That's nice. This is from CaliCollectibles LJ. LJ asked me to read this note that he forgot to include. It's alright, bro. I'll read it out loud right now. He said, thank you so much for the RAOK package. Here's a little something in return. Hope you don't have any of these, and we will have more of these trades in the future. Big fan of your channel. Keep up your great work. Your friend, LJ. Thanks, LJ. Target box. I like this. I'm keeping this for myself. I'm not going to use it for other trades. Oh. Do I want to put this image? Nice. Oh, what's this? Nice, I like that. Ooh, dope. You hooked it up with movies. Watch these tonight. I like the way you package them as well, bro. Good stuff. Ooh, nice. Nice, I like this. I have a short card one. Now I get to open one. That's dope. 4GT 2011. And this, oh man, this is nice. Yeah, I saw this on your video. I was gonna ask you if you wanted to trade for it, but you hooked it up with one. Thanks, man. I like this a lot. This is another, I have 4 now? 4 2012s? Nice. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Definitely gonna check these out later. Thank you for these as well. This one, let's open it. This is the thing from Fantastic Four, and inside is a. Oh, okay, yeah. You build it. Nice, I like this. I've seen this somewhere, but never picked it up. So you go like that. That's dope, LJ. Thanks, man. Put that with all my other collections. You know what? Put it right here. He'll be my bodyguard. Hey. And last but not least, this is from Mr.Z. Bunch of numbers. I gave him. I'm gonna give him the Ford Fairlane Super and the 52 Chevy, and he gave me, it was a straight up super for super, regular for regular. Nice, nicely packaged as well. Straight up trade, you know, super for super, regular for regular, and Yep, he gave me that right there. The Ford Shelby GR1 concept. Nice. And the Super, oh man, yes. Look at that bad boy right there. Super S2K. I love imports. Love them. I want to get another one like this so I can open it, but this one will not be open. I don't have the protector packs, so I need to get me some of those so I could put them in there to be safe and stuff. Here's an overview of what I got. The Tyrell P34 Ford GT eBay purchase. CaliCollectibles. I forgot to mention the names of the movies. It's a Marvel Comics Ultimate Avengers, the animated movie, and Marvel Comics Planet Hulk animated movie. And I barely realized that this is from Coach. You fancy, bruh. But yeah, he hooked it up with the 69 Chevelle SS 396, the Hot Wheel 450F, and a Ford GT. And Mr.Z, the Ford Shelby GR1 concept, and the oh so sexy Honda Sexy 2000. Check out their channels, CaliCollectibles Mr.Z, bunch of numbers. I'll put their links in the description box. And thank you for watching. Peace.